Hey everybody, this is Kirby Chan from Kirby Chan & Co. And today we're going to take a video tour of 121 Hidden Trail here in North York. This is a beautiful single family home with a walkout basement that can be converted into an accessory apartment. This is the perfect home for the growing family or an investor looking to rent it out. We're located at Bathurst and Steeles, a very convenient location, walking distance to the elementary school. A short bus ride takes you to North York City Center, York University, Finch Subway Station, and the GO Station. For commuters, it's a short drive to Highway 400, 404, and the 407. This area is so peaceful, surrounded by ravines. Take a short walk with the children and have some fun at the G. Ross Lord Park and Reservoir. Come on inside and let's take a look at this beautiful home. Hey, now that you've seen this beautiful home, I know you see the opportunity. Next step is to book a private showing with us, info@kirbychan.com, or call us 416-305-8008. I'll see you soon.
如果想預約參觀嘅話，請致電我哋嘅中文熱線416-505-6285，我哋係 Kirby Chan 地產團隊嘅 Kirby 同 Carrie。